Assalomu alaykum hammaga. Bugun sizlar bilan IELTS GG o'zi rostmi, skammi, qancha pul topsa bo'ladi, qanaqa qilib pul topsa bo'ladi, o'shalarni hammasini ko'rib chiqamiz. IELTS GG haqida qayerdan eshitdim? Uni do'stim invite qildi, bir gapirdi, link tashladi, ichidan o'tib bering dedi, o'tib berdim. Keyin уже gapiryapti, video qiling, post qiling deb. I was wondering like why. Keyin yana gapirdi, "Ha, bo'ldi vaqtim bo'lmayapti, u yoq bu yoq." He tried to convince me like, it takes an hour. Просто 1 soat oladi, ko'ring. And I was like, okay. Keyin bir kun IELTS GG'ni menejer executor'lari, o'sha kattaroq odamlar yozishni boshladi. Yani o'zi lavozimi katta, lekin yoshlari kichkinaga o'xshadi o'zimga o'xshagan. Keyin aytyapti, shunaqa shunaqa, "There are people that are making 3K, 2K." And I was like, okay. That's more than my salary. And then it got me into it. Ya'ni kreatorlarda, ya'ni o'sha meni do'stim menga refer qilganda, referral berib, men ham kimgadir referral bersam, u 20 mingta odam, ya'ni 20 mingta view qilsa, общий menga $20 beradi. Agar 100 mingdan oshib ketadigan bo'lsa, yana $20 qo'shib beradi. Ya'ni shunaqa qilib 100 ta odam qiladigan bo'lsangiz, undan qancha pul topsangiz bo'ladi deb meni miyam blov bo'lib ketdi. Shuning uchun ham let's try it out. Let's see what IELTS GG actually is. Ya'ni kirib, o'zi IELTS GG nima? Men nimani promot qilyapman o'zi? Men hali hech nima promot qilmadim, video upload qilmadim, hech kimga tavsiya bermadim. Let's see what actually IELTS GG is. This is how it looks. We got listening right here, reading right here, writing, speaking right here. I will go through each of these and we will see if it's really worth it or not. Like, I don't want to promote the thing that I don't know about. So it should be. And then you can, get another test as well if you have a time. But like you got daily plans, you can do extra stuff, which is good. Good. I think it's good. I can promote it. So I will keep you updated.
Videoni boshlaganimga 1 oy bo'ldi. Ya'ni hozir уже $70 yig'dim. 9,000 boradi. Kecha kartamga tashlab berish. Ya'ni shu bankshotlaringizni to'ldirasiz, ularga shu официальный self-employedman degan narsani berib turib, поёг'ingizni kirib berasiz и уже yiqqan prosmotrlaringizdan pullaringizni hisoblab o'tkazib berishadi. Ya'ni meni o'zi tanishim, ya'ni videoni boshida aytgan, meni refer qilgan odam shu mendan $40 topdi. Chunki 100 mingdan ko'p prosmotr qildim. И hozir o'zini prosmotrlari bilan $1000 topdi. Va misol sizlar shunaqa qilishingiz mumkin, chunki Qozog'istonda xuddi shu bilan ishlaydigan odamlar $3000gacha topyapti. Agar qiziqsanglar, sizlarga shu yopiq Telegram chatimi, ssilkasini YouTube'da description'iga tashlab qo'yaman. Ishga bosib ko'rib, noldan hamma o'rgansanglar bo'ladi. Agar savol bersanglar, shu yerda odamlar bor, sizlarga yo'l yo'riq ko'rsatib oladi. Sure, let's make money. Til topinglar. Просто uyga o'tirib topsanglar bo'ladi. Ishdan keyin 1 soat vaqt sarflab topsanglar bo'ladi. It's not even that hard. It's just content creation and you don't even have to show your face. O'zi ko'rsatib video olib tashlash shart emas. Yoki meni yarim videolarim izin olmagan. Xayr, salomat bo'linglar. It was good run. It was good experience.